Michigan State is big, really big. As one of the top 10 largest universities in the United States, Michigan State University is home to a world of possibilities and opportunities. Being big means more of everything. More majors to choose from, more study abroad programs, more ways to personalize your program of study, more people to meet, and more chances to have fun. Big means that you can be confident knowing a degree from MSU is recognized around the world. 46,000 students, the #1 ranked public study abroad program, more than 200 programs of study, students from more than 130 countries, 460,000 alumni around the world. These are just a few of the reasons that you should consider Michigan State University. Join the mailing list or apply online at admissions.msu.edu.